Unit 3, Part A, Activity 3A. Listen to the conversation. In your notebook, number the questions from Activity 2 as you hear them.
Hello, Vicky.
Oh, hi, Tita. Come in. I'm just making some tea. Come and join me.
That would be lovely. Thanks, Vicky. Actually, Vicky, I wanted to ask you some questions. As you know, we just moved here. I haven't lived in Siem Reap since I was a little girl, and things have changed a lot. I don't know how to do anything anymore.
Okay, sure. I'll help if I can. What would you like to know?
Well, we would like to go out for a meal tonight. I'd like to ask you which your favorite restaurant is.
Well, we like Soul Kitchen. We had a terrible meal there the first time, but since then, it's always been really good.
Sounds good. We'll try it tonight. And can you tell me where I can catch a bus to Battambang? I have to go there this weekend to visit my old friend.
Well, there are different buses, and you have to go to the right bus station. You can buy a ticket online. I'll help you.
Great. That makes it much easier. Also, I need to take a taxi tonight. Do you know how I can order a taxi?
Yes, there are apps that you can use now. It's very easy, and the taxis and tuk-tuks are cheaper. Just download the app to your phone. I'll show you that too.
Oh yes, that would really help. Also, I'd like to know how I pay the electricity bill.
Well, there's an app for that too nowadays. Or, if you prefer, you can go to the EDC office and pay it there.
Okay, I think I'll go to the office and pay it there. Now, Marcel wants to join the gym. He exercises a lot, so I was wondering where the best gym is.
That's easy. He can go with Richard. Shall I ask Richard to invite him? His friend Samnang sometimes goes too.
Oh, that would be great, Vicky. He likes to work out with friends. I'll tell him. Now, what was next? Oh, yes. Do you have any idea how I can see a doctor?
Well, you can usually go to the hospital and just tell them your name and wait. It doesn't take long. Or you can call first if you want to be sure.
It isn't serious. I'll just go when I have time. Now, we all need something to get around town. Would you mind telling me where you bought your scooter?
Well, I'm not sure. We have two in the family that we share, but Richard and Tim bought them. I'll ask them and then let you know.
Yes, please, Vicky. Right, just a couple more things. I like to know when I put the rubbish out. Can I put it outside the house every day?
Yes, you can put the rubbish out every evening between 7 and 10 p.m. They collect it every day.
Good, that's easy then. So finally, could I ask you where the best place to buy vegetable is? I like them to be very fresh.
That's easy. Our friend Lekana sells vegetables on the market. I'm going to go there myself this afternoon. Would you like to come with me? You can meet her.
Oh, sure, I'd like to. You've been very helpful. Thank you so much. So let's drink our tea and then we can go to the market.